In 2024, China's investment in real estate development plunged by over 10%, and home sales fell almost 20%. This isn't just a bad quarter. It's a clear sign that China's decades-long growth model, built on endless construction, is collapsing. Imagine a neighbor flooding their own house and then pumping that water into your yard to save themselves. That's exactly what Beijing is doing with its massive industrial overproduction. Factories built to supply 1 billion people now face empty shelves at home, but shutting them down risks social unrest. So China keeps producing, dumping goods on the world market at rock-bottom prices, burning company profits to move stock and gain liquidity. This structural overcapacity is turning global markets upside down. In 2024, Chinese exports hit 25 trillion yuan, up 7%, with trade surpluses rising 22%. Their cheap steel, solar panels, and electric cars flood Europe and the US, forcing Brussels to slap tariffs on imports and America to close loopholes that let cheap goods in duty-free. But here's the problem. These state-subsidized exports crush local industries, collapsing prices and jobs. The US manufacturing workforce shrinks as exposure to Chinese imports rises, costing millions of jobs and devastating communities. The ripple effect hits everything from local bars to transport firms, real economic damage far beyond factory walls. Europe isn't immune either. It employs 30 million in manufacturing, generating 2.4 trillion euros, all threatened by China's aggressive dumping. The stakes go beyond economics. Losing industrial sovereignty means surrendering control over vital technologies like batteries and semiconductors to a geopolitical rival that plays by different rules. In response, Western governments are finally acting, raising tariffs, investing billions to rebuild domestic industries, and demanding supply chains on home soil. The EU aims to extract and process 40% of its critical materials at home by 2030, while the US funnels nearly $370 billion into reshoring clean energy and semiconductor production. This isn't just a trade dispute, it's a battle for economic freedom and strategic independence. The question now is whether we can reverse decades of outsourcing and open markets or resign ourselves to being perpetual dependence on a state-controlled economy that undermines innovation and competition. The future of jobs, industries, and national security hangs in the balance, and with every purchase we make, we choose the path forward, either fueling the flood or building resilient foundations closer to home.